Hi, and welcome to the channel The Testing Mania. In the series that is Bursting Myths about Software Testing, this is going to be the fourth and the last video of the series. And herein, we are going to burst the myth which says that anyone can do the testing job, and QA consultants or testers only need to detect the bugs. So this is also a very common wrong notion that has been going on in the market. That is, testing in itself is a very easy job, and if you are a tester, you just need to detect the bugs, which is completely wrong. And of course, when we say that a particular notion or a particular myth is wrong, we always try to back it up by logic. So let's go ahead and prove that particular notion wrong and clear out your mind. So the first one says that it is easy. So if you have watched our first video that says that we burst the myth that says that software testing is a boring and a mundane job. So therein we tell you about the different domains that wherein you can go, that is functional automation, performance, security, and integration testing, right? So do you think that a job that has so many different verticals to grow into, and mind you cannot learn all, you have to pick up one of the domain and then you build your expertise eventually in that. Do you think something of that nature will be an easy job to do? Do you think that learning or the QA concepts, the QA basics, and then implementing them to make sure that the application is working in a good way, in the expected manner, be it via functional testing, that is testing all the components of the website, every nook and corner, or be it integration testing, that is using tools like Postman or other, a lot more advanced tools in the market nowadays that allows you to validate the data flowing from one system to another with the help of different uh, uh, query languages, right? Or is it easy to implement automation testing which revolves all around the core coding? That is, you have to be proficient in Java, you have to be proficient in using Selenium WebDriver. Is performance testing easy? Because there you have to have tools like JMeter, wherein you put in all these different users, create a simulation, and then do the testing, and then look at the results of how they are following. Or is security testing easy, wherein you have to make sure that big firms or big companies where there is a lot of sensitive data, you have to make sure that you protect it? Is that an easy job? Of course not. So many domains, so much knowledge to gain, these things can never be easy. So that bursts the first myth. Secondly, that it is an easy job and anyone can do it. That is what we were talking about. And then the most important thing is that a tester is just required to detect the bugs. It's not. So to clarify on that, we have a slide in front of you, and I will for people who are just hearing us or hearing us on the earphones or something, I'll say that out loud as well. Job responsibilities of a software tester include test planning, estimations, scenarios, uh, building reports, sharing the reports, then creating summary reports, creating test datas, and then suggesting enhancements. So when I'm saying this, I simply counted 8 to 10 different responsibilities on my fingers, and it is more than that because there is a complete career graph there wherein you grow as a lead and everything. So for sure, it's not only about detecting the bugs. That negates the last myth that we were talking about. So yeah, that's all, and that is how we try to burst the very common notions or wrong notions that have been in the market. And trust me, if you have been put into this domain or XYZ trees. I mean, there can be XYZ situations. Do not worry, do not hear what people are saying from here and there, because there is a lot of bad things going around in the market for this particular domain. Do not hear them. Watch these videos in the series and decide it for yourself. And I understand you might have questions after that. Please feel free to reach out to us via comments. Put up your questions, and we guarantee you to resolve them within 24 hours. I hope this video did clear out your mind to a bit, and please keep us following for more content. We try to create content around on this channel which covers the testing world or from the complete 360-degree view. So yeah, pretty much that's it, and see you in the coming videos. Thank you.